is empty, dude.
Oh, good.
Never heard of them. Holy cow. Doesn't look like they're gumming it up or anything yet. I'm just gonna slide it over, I guess.
Yeah, grab hold of that. Yep, and then just, I don't know if you can pull it out as it is, or...
I don't think so. It's kind of jammed in there. Move it over a little bit.
Oh. Should go the other way.
Do we need one more to put in here?
No. That's 10. So you're supposed to have a little bit, ½ inch on each side or something. What's Jimmy do this fast? You need to go get the smoker. They're all coming out. She out?
Yeah, she's out, dude.
Okay, good.
See?
Oh,
Is
yeah.
he in there?
Yeah. How'd she get out, though?
So, looks like that was filled with candy.
Oh.
And that black thing was just
Yeah.
a plastic.
I see. Okay, so trying... They building?
But yeah.
They building on there?
I do. I see building. Want me to pull it out real quick?
Oh, yeah, I see it. Nice.
Isn't that awesome?
Yeah, it is. They're putting honey in there.
What's that?
No, I see honey.
Do you?
Yep. Sweet. Okay, put it back in so we don't lose a queen or something.
Want to see if I can see her.
Yeah.
But there is a lot going on the ones next door too.
Good.
All right, good job. You're doing good.
Okay, now just put the roof on.
Okay.
And then we'll put the next box on in a week and a half or something when we open it next. There it goes, yep.
You don't think we need to fill that now?
Not yet. I'd wait for it to get empty.
It seems like they're going through that fast, and without them having the top one, they're going to go through this last little bit, probably by tomorrow. So
I'll check it tomorrow and
okay.
refill it.
All right, sounds good. Hey guys, get off. Thanks for not stinging me.